This is how you can protect your worksheet in Google Sheet here. So first thing you have to do is to go to Data, Protect Sheet and Range, and then add a sheet or range here. And then you're going to select the range here. And then after that, you're going to select the range selector. And then you're going to select the cells that you want to protect. Let's say I want to protect these cells here. Once you highlight, click on OK. And then click on Set Permission. Under the restriction, who can edit this range? If you have only you as a user can edit this. Nobody else can edit it. If you want to allow other people to edit this worksheet, all you have to do is select this icon and click on Custom. And if the email address is in here, you just put a check next to it, and that particular user can edit it. But if that user is not on this list, enter his or her email address here, and then click on OK. And then that user will be added to your Google account here. Once that's done, click on Done, and then you should have an entry here for the rule. Let's say if you want to protect the entire worksheet itself, you're gonna say add a sheet or range like this, and this time around you're gonna select sheet like this, and then select the sheet that you want to protect. This is worksheet number 228, as you can see here, 228. And then once the sheet is selected, click on Set Permission. Again, either you do only you or you do custom to allow all the other users to get in there. Once that's done, click on Done, and your worksheet is protected. Now to removing it. So if you want to remove a particular rule, let's say for example the very first one that protected the cells, you click on that rule and you click on the trash icon followed by clicking on the remove, and then that rule is gone. Now to remove the last rule in there, click on the rule here, do the same thing and remove.